Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by deciding what the QR will hold: a URL, contact card, Wi-Fi credentials, or a payment link. Use a reputable generator and set error correction to M or H so it survives damage. Once done, set size and format: SVG for printing, PNG for quick sharing, and export a high-resolution file. Make sure to test on at least 2 different devices and browsers. This confirms scanning accuracy and avoids surprises when you distribute the code. Next, customize while keeping scanners in mind. Add a logo but maintain contrast and a clear margin, and avoid tiny modules. If you need analytics or the ability to change the destination later, create a dynamic QR that redirects via a short URL. This also enables click tracking. For sensitive uses, wrap the destination in authentication or password protection so that scanning alone doesn't grant access. Make sure to preview and retest after every design change to validate readability. Finally, deploy and monitor. Print or display the QR at eye level, use sufficient DPI for physical sizes, and avoid curved or glossy surfaces that cause glare. Once live, check analytics on dynamic codes to measure scans and adjust campaigns or destinations as needed. If people report failures, troubleshoot quickly. Ensure contrast and quiet zone are intact, increase printed size, confirm camera app permissions, and test with multiple scanner apps. One quick fix often resolves most scanning issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.